Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video, I hope you didn't miss these type of videos, but there's a sale going on right now for USB-C cables. They're from Anker, and they are also braided, and they're 6 feet long. The reason I'm telling you this is because they're going for $8.99 for a set of two, but because there's a coupon going on right now, don't know how long this will last, but it's going to cut that price to $4.99, which will mean $5. So $5 for two USB-C cables for charging your phone if you have a Note 8 like me, or maybe a OnePlus, or also a any phone that uses USB-C nowadays. Pretty sure if you have a new phone, it has USB-C. Now these are really useful for when you're going out and about, especially when you go traveling maybe to a hotel. You need a long ass cable from the wall outlet to your bed. Now I already have a couple USB-C cables. This one I got in Taiwan. It's pretty long. I actually prefer these type of cables just because they're thin and they're really flexible. But in the US, they don't have a lot of these type of cables. This transfers both power and data. But the one on Amazon also transfers power and data. I also got another one from Anker. This is when I first got the Note 8. I needed a long ass cable for traveling. I was going to somewhere else. But this one is not braided. The braided ones are definitely more flexible. But this is pretty heavy duty, and it's also power and data. This is pretty long. Just the reason I'm getting it, I'm in the living room. I want to have charging my phone from the couch all the way to the wall outlet. Or I'm going somewhere like a hotel room or a room, Airbnb, and I need a long ass cable. So USB-C to USB, this type of cable. They're going for $5 for two sets, for two cables, 6 feet long. Definitely check them out if you need them. I already got myself a set. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It will be coming very soon. This is just a quick heads up. The link will be in the description below, and you'll also see a box that you can check mark to apply the coupon. Bye guys.